Hi, for this video what I want to do is show you how to find the 5-number summary of a data set using Excel. It's a very simple process if you know the commands, so this will not be a very long video at all. Okay, so what I have here are 10 data points that I have entered into Excel, and what we are going to do is we are going to find the 5-number summary, which is the minimum, the first quartile, the median, which is also known as the second quartile, the third quartile, and the maximum value. So basically what we're doing is we're going to divide our data set into 4 equal parts, and we're going to find all of those values. So the minimum is easy to find. All you have to do is type in equals min, and then you would select your values that you want to find the minimum of and hit enter, and it will automatically return the minimum value for you. The first quartile, you're going to start typing equals quartile, and I'm going to use the quartile.exe, which is exclusive, which means it does not have to include the original values. Okay, so, and then I'm going to select my data, hit the comma button because I have to tell which one I want to find, and I want to find the first quartile. And so my first quartile is 40.5. The median, you can either type equals median, and it will find the median value for you, or you could have also used the equals quartile.exe and selected your data, comma, and told it the second quartile, which is the median, and it gives you the same value. So either way, you can either use median or just continue using the equals quartile button. And then for the third quartile, again, we're just going to type in that quartile. This time we'll select the data, and then we're going to say comma, the third quartile, and enter. And then your maximum value, you can do equals, and just type in the max. Select your data, and you have the 5-number summary. So it's a very simple process as long as you know the formulas. So minimum is equal min. First quartile, you would do the equals quartile.exe and make sure that you select your array and tell which quartile, and you would just continue through. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. If there are additional topics that you would like me to cover, please let me know that as well.